Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti has claimed that security forces were unaware that Hizbul Mujahideen commander Burhan Wani was present at the scene of the July 8th encounter in which he was killed. And in fact, had they known about Wani's presence inside the house in Kokernag in Anantnag, it would have been possible to keep the situation from turning into what it is today.
जो मैंने पुलिस से बात की, आर्मी से बात की, उनका ये कहना है कि हमें ये मालूम था 3 मिलिटेंट वहाँ है, पर ये मालूम नहीं था कौन कौन है वहाँ पर। कि अगर इनको पता होता तो शायद इस तरह से मैं इस वक्त जब आपके हालात सुधर रहे हैं तो मैं समझती हूँ कि एक चांस हो सकता था।
Contradictions on Burhan Wani encounter. Police initially said it was intelligence-driven operation and they hunted him down. Now Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti says the forces didn't know it was Burhan. Had they known, perhaps he would have been given a chance.
Whether we knew that Burhan was there or not is not a critical issue. The issue is that we went there to seek out militants.
Since the killing of Burhan Wani, at least 2 top leaders of the PDP have raised questions about the encounter. Senior leader and Education Minister Naeem Akhtar reportedly said the government is ready to relook into how Wani was killed. The PDP MP Muzaffar Beg told NDTV that Mehbooba was betrayed as she was not kept in loop on the operation and even went as far as terming Burhan killing as extrajudicial.
They say wherever there has been a violation of the standard operating procedure, it will be treated as an extrajudicial killing. I am saying that there are strong grounds to suspect that it was so far as that killing was concerned, that it is questionable.
Clear contradictions have emerged on Burhan Wani encounter. It was a group of militants who were targeted, or specifically Burhan Wani. But the question being asked is whether the fallout after Burhan Wani's killing was also factored in and what could have been done to prevent the unrest. In Srinagar with Sheikh Tariq Zafar Iqbal for NDTV.